Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 1.3. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subsets in the blank spaces. So first we will take up the first subdivision. It is given in the left side as 2, 3 and 4. In the right side set, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see, all the elements in the left set, 2, 3 and 4 are also there in this right side set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the left set is actually a subset of the right set. Now let's take up the second one. Here A, B, C. Whereas the right set there is B, C, D. See, in the right set there is a set element D, and in the left set here it is A. A is actually missing from the right set. So I cannot exactly say A, B, C is a proper set of, or it's a subset of B, C and D. So in this case, I'm going to write the symbol not a subset. Now let's take up the third one. X is a student of class 11 of your school. On in the right side, X is going to be defined as students of your school. So all the students of your school is collected in the right side, means the X left side is a collection of students of class 11. So obviously all class 11 students of your school are going to be part of the students of your school. So in this case, the left set is a proper subset of the right one. Now let's take the fourth one. X is a circle on the plane, whereas right side, X is a circle on the same plane but with radius 1 unit. See, if I take the left side, it is a list of all the circles in a plane. So there are going to be innumerable circles like that. Whereas in the right side, it is a circle, it is actually the circle in the same plane, but the radius is specifically 1. So the right side is actually a proper subset of the left side. So I'm going to just flip the sign like this and change it like this. So there is a subset, but the direction of the subset alone has been changed here. Now in the fifth subdivision, X is a triangle in the plane, whereas on the right side, X is a rectangle on the plane. There will be no intersections between the left set and the right set because they are two entirely different polygons that you need to have on the plane. So in this case, I'm going to say this is not a subset. Now let's take the sixth one. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane, whereas in the right set, it is a triangles of all in the same plane. See, when I say the right side, it lists all the triangles, possibly the equilateral, the isosceles, the right angled and the scaling triangles. Whereas the left side, it is a specific of only the equilateral triangle of a plane. So the left set is going to be a proper subset of the right one. So we will put the subset symbol. Now for the last one, X is an even natural number, whereas in the right side, it is X is an integer. If you see, all even natural numbers are all part of integers. So in this case, I'm going to say X is going to be, or the left side is going to be a proper subset of the right side. So we have placed all the necessary symbols. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.